Hello and welcome to Video Conferencing Australia. Today we'll be discussing the AVer CAM520. The AVer CAM520 is a business-grade, affordable and user-friendly USB PTZ camera for mid to large size rooms. With the CAM520 USB PTZ camera, video conferencing is now as simple as plugging in a USB cable. In the box you get the CAM520 USB camera, a remote control, the wall and desk mounting kit, a 5-meter USB cable to PC, USB 2 Mini B to PC, a 6.35mm tripod mounting screw, the power supply, and a quick start guide. We'll talk you through some of the features and specifications while we show you how to set up the unit. The industry's only 3-year warranty is standard, which can be extended by 2 years, giving you 5 years from the date of invoice. 12x optical zoom, wide-angle autofocus, 1080p mechanical PTZ at up to 60 frames per second. 10 position presets by remote. No driver needed for Windows 7, 8, 8.1, 10, and Mac OS X. And the AVer PTZ app offers additional controls and firmware updates. The AVer CAM520 is compatible with all of the popular business apps and audio systems, including Microsoft Lync, Office 365, Zoom, GoToMeeting, Google Hangouts, WebEx, BlueJeans, the Life-Size Cloud, the list goes on. It connects to virtually any desktop or laptop via a single USB cable. Video Conferencing Australia has the silver and black versions in stock and ready to go. Please get in touch, we would love to help. Thanks for watching.